Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a word filter for comments or comment moderation on your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio mobile application. So let us guide you through this. So launch YouTube Studio app on your Android, for example. Log into your YouTube account or your Google account to access your channel. And what you want to do next, guys, is here on your dashboard is tap into your profile or channel icon in the top right. And from here navigate to settings. So tap into it. And next, what you want to do, guys, is simply swipe down and navigate to the content controls under community here. And next, you will see these options. So one of these options is called blocked words. So you can manage these according to the description if you don't want to see this under your videos or in the comments under your videos here. So what you want to do is simply tap into it and type in a word you would like to block in comments or filter out in comments. You can tap enter, for example. After that, after typing in the given word by simply tapping into that arrow icon in the bottom right here on your keyboard, and that's it. If you'd like to remove the given word, guys, simply tap into these three dots here in the top right and select delete all, or simply go one by one with these filtered words here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.